Hello and welcome to our Feel Good Twists. Let's begin in Child's Pose today, your arms reaching forward. Rest your forehead down and take a couple of deep breaths. Slowly walk your hands towards the left side, feeling a gentle stretch in the right side of your body. And then walk your hands over to the right. Back to center and lift up into tabletop. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips and about hip width apart. Place your left hand behind your head and lift your left elbow up. Try to keep your hips square and really work from your upper back. Now, as you exhale, rotate your left elbow towards the right forearm and then inhale, lift up again. Exhale to lower. Inhale, lift. 2 more. Last one. Now extend your left arm up to the sky and draw 3 big circles with your left arm, going back and around. For 2. 1. Keep your left arm up and rise up onto your knees, holding a twist. Left arm back, right arm forward. Now you can stay here or come into half camel. Variation 1 is to place your left hand to your lower back, reach your right arm back. And variation 2, you can tuck your toes for this if you like, and bring your left hand to your left heel, reaching your right arm back. Just choose whatever feels best for you. Rise up onto your knees again and bring both hands down, tabletop. Untuck your toes. And let's do the other side. Place your right hand behind your head. Lift your right forearm up. And then rotate your right elbow towards your left forearm and lift it up again. 3 more. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. For 2. Last one. Extend your right arm up and 3 circles, going back and around. 2 more. Hold your right arm up. Rise up onto your knees, kneeling twist. And then choose your variation of half camel. Return to tabletop, both hands onto the mat. Tuck your toes and lift up, downward facing dog. Begin to pedal out your legs at any movement you wish. Find stillness. Allow your left heel to sink towards the mat and reach your right leg back, 3-leg dog. Bend the knee, open your hip, Back to three-legged dog. And step your right foot forward between your hands. And slowly rise up, high lunge, both arms high. Bring your hands down to your heart and twist to the right. Left elbow to your right knee, gaze down. And slowly rise up, extend your arms out to your sides. And then bring your left hand to your right foot, right arm reaches up and back. And lift up again, arms extended to the side. Again, lower the left hand to right foot. And rise up. 2 more, lower and lift. The next time you lower, ground your left hand, lunge twist, right arm reaches up. Lower your back knee down, low lunge. Untuck your toes. And then rise up holding the twist. Right arm back, left arm forward. You can stay here or stretch back, right hand to your left thigh, left arm stretches towards the back of the mat. And then half split with a twist. Bring your left hand down, right arm up, and extend your right leg. You can always keep a soft bend in your right knee here. And if this is just a little bit too much, bring your right hand down. And of course, you can always use blocks underneath your hands. Now bring your right hand down, come forward to low lunge. Lift your back knee and turn to wide-legged forward fold towards the left side, the long side of your mat. Walk your hands towards center. Then bend into your left knee, side lunge. Maybe sink down to skandasana, turning your right toes up. And then turn towards the left to the back of your mat, low lunge. Back knee comes down. Left arm reaches up, right hand stays on the mat. Left arm back. And option to add a quad stretch. Bringing your right foot close to your glutes, holding it with your left hand. Release, both hands onto the mat, step back to plank, and find side plank on your left hand. You can always lower your left knee down for support. Back to plank, both hands down. Let's take a vinyasa. Inhale, shift forward, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment to breathe. And then slowly lift your left leg up, three-legged dog. Bend the knee, open your hip. Back to three-legged dog and step forward, high lunge. Slowly rise up, arms high. Bring your hands to your heart and twist to the left, right elbow to left knee. To release, rise up, extend your arms out wide. And then bring your right hand towards your left foot and lift up again. 3 more. right hand to left foot, and lift. For 2. And on this last one, lunge twist. Ground your right hand, left arm reaches up. Lower your back knee down, low lunge. Untuck your toes and rise up. Left arm back, right arm forward. Option to stretch back. Left hand comes to your right leg. And half split with a twist. Right hand down, left arm up. Lengthen your left leg. Left hand down, walk forward, low lunge. Tuck your back toes, turn towards the right side, long side of your mat, wide-legged forward fold. Side lunge or skandasana, bend your right knee. Now turn towards your right foot. Low lunge, left knee down. Reach your right arm up. Right arm back. And option for the quad stretch. Draw your left foot towards your glutes. Release. Both hands to the mat, step back to plank. Find side plank on your right side. Left hand down again, plank pose. And option to take another vinyasa, and then we'll all meet in downward facing dog. Now let's do one last twist here. Bring your feet about hip width, maybe slightly wider apart. Your hands about shoulder width. And then come onto your left fingertips. Just see how it feels here. And if this feels good and you feel safe, bring your left hand towards your right leg. Maybe to your right thigh, knee, or maybe down to your ankle. Back to down dog, left hand down, and other side. Come onto your right fingertips. And maybe reach your right hand towards your left leg. Release. Lift your hips high. And then lower your knees down, tabletop, and sink back, child's pose. Arms in any variation that feels good. Slowly lift up, thunderbolt. Take a deep inhalation, reach your arms high. And exhale, hands to heart. Thanking yourself for taking time for your practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!